Hi everyone. Today we'll show you how to use Markdown in WordPress so we can write faster and format content more easily. On the WordPress dashboard, we go to Plugins. You can find it on the left side of the dashboard. This is where we install our Markdown plugin. Type Markdown in the search bar and look for Markup Markdown. This is the one we recommend. It's simple and easy to use. Just click on it and then click Install. Now, we are not able to install it here because we don't have a premium plan, but if you do, just go ahead and install it. Once it's installed, open your plugins and start using it. It will look like this. As we build our content, it will apply Markdown formatting right away. When we type in the content, it will display proper Markdown styling automatically. This plugin helps us use Markdown syntax in WordPress to format things like headings, lists, links, and more. It makes it easy to enable Markdown support and use simple shortcuts to create clean, well-structured content.